So now we have a drill on Clubface Direction. The important, let's say, the technique here that I'd want players to understand is that there is rotation that happens to our club face as we're making our swing. So these drills are designed to start to give you a little bit of a feel of where the club face is pointed at impact. So our first set that we're gonna do is I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I had the left, right, and middle, but on this one, we're gonna just hit 5 shots, right? I'd have you hit 5, maybe 10 if you had a little more time. And I'll go for the target. I'm a little close just because of the camera depth here, but you're gonna try to hit that target and notice if there's any tendency. So if I was hitting these shots, and let's say I'm gonna be missing to the right, so I take a look up and I see, geez, that ball went right at the target. Then I hit another one, and it goes a little bit right again. So I can quickly figure that my tendency is to leave the club face pointed to the right, therefore the ball's missing the target to the right. So that'd be your sort of first set. Hit 5 or 10 shots, get a feel for or pay attention to where the ball's hitting the screen. And then our second set, we're gonna work on trying to calibrate that a little bit. So we're gonna, on purpose or intentionally, or I'm gonna over-rotate my club face or make sure that I have it pointed to the left when I hit my first shot, so I should see the ball miss to the left. Then the second one I'm gonna miss to the right. Then the third one I'm gonna try to get somewhere in the middle. So you can absolutely start as small as you like with these. You could do it even with a small little chipping motion and then work back as you like. You don't have to go full tilt right off the bat. So the first one, I'll just go a little smaller, almost like a little chip or pitch, but I'm just gonna make sure that I'm rotating that club face and the club face is pointed to the left at impact, and we see the ball miss that target to the left. On the second one, I want to feel the opposite. So now I'm going to feel as though I'm keeping the club face pointed to the right. So for someone that has that tendency, or they noted that tendency in the first swings, that would probably be the easier of the two. And now I'm going to feel something in the middle, like that. And so we're going to do 3 sets of that. So there'd be a total of 9 shots. And you could start again with your first one by missing way to the left, way to the right. Don't be afraid to really overcorrect things, and then you can make it a little tighter as you go. So that second set starts to give you a feel or an understanding of how to move the club face. And then what we're going to do is come back for our third set, and you're going to hit your initial shot. So let's say the same thing kind of happens that did in my first set. I miss a little bit to the right. You see that ball miss to the right. Now for this set, we're going to hit 3 balls for every set. So the first one, note, did I miss left or right? The second ball, I'm gonna overcorrect. So I'm reaching back to that drill that I just did prior with over-rotating or hitting ball to the left, to the right, and in the middle. So on this one, I'm gonna overcorrect to the left because my initial shot missed to the right. So I can really feel that difference. And then on the third one, I'm now gonna try to go to the center. So the idea is I hit one shot, note what the tendency was, overcorrect it, and now try again to hit the target. And like, okay, I was able to sort of dial that in, and then do it for another shot. So if you did that for even 3 sets, there's gonna be another 9 shots that are gonna be dedicated to feeling that sensation of where's your club face pointed at impact, which is gonna play a really big role in helping you with your directional control.